2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Actual mile vehicle, 78,721 is all on at the moment. Actually a Colorado vehicle up until 2024. Let's go ahead and take a little peek at this one. Underneath the hood, that Hemi 6.4 liter V8 power that's paired up with an 8-speed transmission with auto stick. Of course, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Get a good look at the front fascia and grille on this one. Lower portion is a wrap, so we have the silver metallic on the top half, and then this kind of a medium blue metallic on the lower portion. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on the 20-inch black satin wheels, radial tires, and those are date coded 2024. So there is plenty of tread left on those, and you're going to get a good still picture to see exactly how deep that tread is. And with the rest of the still pictures, probably close to 100 pictures online of this vehicle. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side. You'll also notice that the rear windows are tinted. The front's not so much, but know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. I have not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches on this passenger side. As you can see, vehicle's pretty clean. I did notice kind of a little scuff back here below that wrap on the rear bumper. If you want to see the still picture of the window sticker so you can see exactly how this is equipped, that will be in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. I can give you a few of the items that you're going to see on that window sticker. It does have the high performance audio with Harman Kardon speakers, 825 watt amp, heated and ventilated seats up front, second row heated seats, Uconnect nav with 8.4 inch display, and much more. Very nicely equipped Grand Cherokee, no doubt about that. A couple notes from the technician in our service department that looked at it. Brakes are 50% in the front, 80% in the rear. Dual exhaust is complete from the front to the rear. And the bumpers are wrapped, like I mentioned earlier, so the sensors are turned off. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. If you like the Jeeps, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. You can see driver's side of this car also looking good. So we have the dark charcoal or black interior, leather with suede inserts, and if I get right up on top of those, it's going to wash them out. Right there is the true color of that. You can also see the red seat belts. That'd be an option. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. So we do have memory seating, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Mentioned that Harman Kardon speaker system, power seat over here in the driver's side, and again, ventilated and heated up front, heated second row seats, buckets, of course, the embroidered backrest, steering wheel controls, lots and lots of options. I believe in excess of 70,000 new. Take a look at that window sticker in the still pictures. There's the exact miles, 70,721. No service engine, soon lights, anything like that. There's your parking sensors off, I mentioned. The tap shift. Of course, automatic transmission, but you can run it like a manual. It's 8 speeds. Dash looks good. There's that Uconnect that we mentioned. 8.4 inch display. Of course, electronic climate control. you have your driving modes back here. There's a launch control on it also. And that would be considered your quadra-track. Active on-demand 4-wheel drive. And listen to this. It's a nice, deep, throaty exhaust note. It'll have a little bark when you get on the throttle. Let's go ahead and check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk-around video. And we'll let Jason take you for a virtual ride, show you how this goes down the road. Get that one-handed. There we go. Underside of the hood, nice and clean, that hood liner. There it is. It's got a Hemi. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Running smooth, looking good. ...2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Actual miles, 78,721. Colorado vehicle up until 2024. It's ready to roll. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2018 Jeep Cherokee SRT. This Jeep has some performance. Let's hit the throttle here for a sec. Yes, it's effortless performance. I'm already speeding. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Just put your foot down and feel the torque. This is a fun vehicle. Nice fat steering wheel. Stereo sounding good too. Great looking interior. This is a well-maintained Jeep. I'm not seeing any kind of wear marks anywhere. Great condition. Mostly black with those subtle kind of titanium accents. Looking good. I feel a heated seat right now. Bucket SRT seats with cloth on the inside and what looks like leather on the outside. Digital speedometer with a simulated needle. Real needles for the rest of the gauges. The temperature showing about 180 to 190. Fuel gauge a little less than half of a tank. Tachometer on the left is a real needle, and that is working well. Sorry, actually, the speedometer is on the left. That's a real needle. The tach is a simulated needle. This corners very nicely, though it is an SUV. Performance in the corners and going straight. Check out all the pictures of this 2018 Jeep Cherokee at uniqueclassiccars.com.